Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you finger dexterity exercises level 1 on the piano. I'm going to do them on the key of C because that's the beginner key to anyone who wants to start learning piano or is a beginner learner on the keyboard. So this is my hand, this is my hand, this is my hand, these are my fingers. So this is finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, finger 5. So I'm going to begin on the middle C. This is middle C. I'm going to move contrary motion, major scale. Try doing that, then you can gradually start increasing your speed as your fingers start mastering the keys. So that's a very good exercise that any beginner should be able to learn and master. The second exercise is moving similar motion, hand similar motion, like I'm moving like this. What is happening here is that my left hand is moving 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That has to be obeyed for you to have smoother movement of fingers along the keys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the right hand, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So you can practice that on each hand until you master it fluently. After you've mastered, your fingers have mastered, now you can try doing both hands. Gradually increasing the speed. Now, if you do those exercises, you'll have a good muscle memories and your fingers will be very flexible on the keyboard. Next, I'm going to show you how to move up the chromatic scale and down the chromatic scale. Today I've shown you how to move up and down the C major scale. And you can as well move 2 octaves. It depends on your mastering ability. See that? You can as well do it in left hand. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.